Okay. We'll zoom out. Here's a cold start for you. Oh. It's not really cold. It's in the 40s, but it's a little bit nippy. Oh, here's a beautiful interior. Can you tell this is a work truck? Yeah. Okay. Can you tell? Yeah. I'll just gotta find the keys. I hope I still have them. Well, I do. Find the right one here. Okay. Oh, what happened? Turn the ignition on. Battery's really going. I don't have no gas. Good enough. Start for a little bit. Get some pumps. There we go. Now she's humming and smoking. There she is. Yeah. And it's hopping. Cool. Now she's warmed up. I think. Nope, not at all. Well, she got a bit of gas, good enough. Get you a little bit of an exhaust shot here. Good enough. Good. Is it warmed up yet? Oh, where's that? No, focus. No. Good enough though. Gas is too expensive, especially in this beast. Oh. Okay. I don't think you guys have ever seen this here before. Well, let me get a different shot for you guys. Yeah, it's a piece of junk, but oh well. I like it. It does run, but right now it has a problem. I think my key's starting to go again on it. My flywheel key. It's a, what is it? 6-speed. 3 there, and then you can pull that lever back or forth, like it says right there, going high and low. But the best part about it is she's a twin, which is good for me because then I can do a little bit of modifying and have exhaust pointed right out there. I rigged up a throttle cable. Found it. There's my throttle cable. Just a bicycle cable. It is hooked up, but it kind of. Now, see if I can get you a good shot of this. See how it doesn't stay in, and how it's bent right there where my finger is. Yeah. Right now it doesn't start. I am kind of thinking, oh, that tightened itself, that the flywheel key is off just a little bit, causing my timing to be off, so it backfires like a mother. But it does run. I did have it running, just not driving because the rear end's kind of frozen for not being done for so long. But yeah, that's just one of my toys. She got a big ass thing. Well, it does have a cap, but the cap is broken. No lens on it. Well, cover on it. Here's another one of my toys. Yeah, 12 horse. Well, it's not a 12 horse overhead valve. Hold on, I can pull it out a little bit for you. Okay, it is a 12 horse, but it's not a overhead valve. This is a totally different motor. The motor it did have in it was an 11 horse. It was 11. Well, it was like this, but 11 horse. This is a 12 horse, but not an overhead valve. But this here does run, but it's a lot of power right now because the exhaust isn't really the right kind. It's not only being held in by one bolt. But I can start this. It hasn't been started in a while, so I'm not too faithful it would start. And there's another one in my truck. Well, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. So 5-speed, 38-inch cut. The deck is behind them tables, and there are the decks for them two down there. I'll show you in a minute here. Here's another one of my toys. This is an old Sears model. Old Sears Vari-Drive. And my paint is peeling. Oh, that's bent. Oh, that got bent somehow. Well, I would have to fix that. Ain't no problem. It's just my clear coat peeling. This is a 6-speed with the high and low lever right there. Yep. This is a, what is this? 14 horse Tecumseh overhead valve. This thing is a beast. Let's just say that. There's a plow for it and a snow blower for it. It's right down there. I'll probably put the battery in that, get that started. I miss driving that thing. But yeah, that's so far 1, 2, 3. Well, maybe that's a 16 horse. I just noticed that. Oh, maybe it is. I don't know. Here's the hood. I'm off for another one of mine. And right there's the other one. This thing has been sitting for 25 years, I believe, until I drug it out and got it back here and did my fancy work on it. This is an 8-horse Briggs & Stratton, and that spark plug isn't the right spark plug for it. I don't know where the original one went. It's somewhere in that mess. But that spark plug is from a T50 out of my Chevelle, the old spark plug. This is a 3-speed with reverse. I have the rear end locked in this one. I will probably get a bigger gas tank. I'm not sure. And then I'll be getting different wheels in for it, because they're the wheels I have on it now. I'm just going to make sure it works right and get everything actually working. And then I'll probably take them ones and put them in the front, and probably get tires like, or maybe I'll get tires like that, they're ATV tires, and put on the front, and get ones that are the same size as them ones and put them on the back. I am really not sure. And then same with that one there, I'll put them tires in the front and get different tires in the back. I'll put different treads on them because they're, well, they hold air, but I just don't like how they look. I got them, they're big mothers. They're, what are they, 20 by something? So I could probably put them in the back and put them ones there in the front. But I kind of don't like wide tires in the front. I kind of like skinny tires in the front. So I really don't know. But yeah, so there's another one of my toys. So that makes 1, 2, 3, 4. So far. And there's the deck for that blue one up there. And here's another 2 more of my toys. These here are Craftsman's LT4000s. Yeah. No. Is that an LT4000? I think this is an LT4000. Yeah, this is an LT4000. That's the same as that one there, both Craftsman 2s. See? Craftsman 2. Craftsman 2. I have to, right now I am draining the gas out of them both, because right now I just don't need them, and this ignition messed up on this one, so this is putting gas in them. But yeah, I'll make another video here because my editor took a shit, so I won't be able to edit any videos, so I have to make another one. And I will start that one there, that one there, and this one. That way you can actually see how they go. Well, this one there here does drive, but I need to get belts for that one there and this one here, because that belt is way too tight. I cannot get it out of gear now. Put it in gear, it'll stay in that gear whatever you have it in, so if you try to stop, it'll just keep on going. That one there is too loose. So what I will do is, once I get another belt, and there'll be more driving videos of these things, and I can go on a good romp. And my go-kart, that's another story. So I guess this here will be part 1, and I'll make another part 2 then, once I find out if I can get an update for that, or what is wrong with it, because it does not take none of my videos. So yeah, they are my tractors. This here is a 6-speed, 5-speed, 6-speed, 5-speed, 3-speed, and 6-speed. So it'll be reinforced and shit. That one there, and them ones there, just the 2 that I'll use for off-roading tractors, because they don't have no decks, and they just don't have no decks. Let's just put it that way. So all of us have had decks, so I'll use them though for off-roading tractors too, but I don't know. But yeah, so I will see you in part 2, because right now I gotta go get my van. It's done with inspection, so I have to go get that. So see you in part 2.